Bangladesh is one of the countries most vulnerable to climate change. Deltaic in nature, 80% of the country consists of low-lying floodplains and deltas of the rivers Ganges and Brahmaputra. Flooding occurs often and land is scarce. Prone to tornadoes, cyclones and national hazards coming from increased rainfall, rising sea levels and tropical cyclones, these are expected to increase with climate change. Each will seriously affect agriculture, water, food security, human health and shelter. It is believed that this rising sea level alone will create more than 20 million climate refugees. Climate change is expected to result in sea level rise, salinity intrusion, and more frequent droughts and floods. A study of the World Bank shows that in 2050, salinization will have increased by an average of 26% and over 55% in the worst affected areas. In addition, each year, thousands of acres of land near major rivers are sure to be lost due to erosion. Approximately 14 million people live in these coastal areas, where 30% of the agricultural land for Bangladesh is located. Approximately 53% of that land has already been affected by silt. Salinization makes it more difficult for these farmers to grow crops, and their productivity is declining even further. Scientists predict that even 50% decline will be possible in the coming decades. At the same time, the population will increase, and the growing population maintaining these marginal areas is crucial for food security goals. Many challenges lie ahead for Bangladesh, the most important being pressure on land use, climatic impact, environmental protection, government globalization, and macroeconomic development. The government of Bangladesh, together with civil society organizations, policymakers, technical experts, media, private sector, have all looked into the impact of climate change and set an action plan for the coming 100 years. But the change is too slow. Bangladesh is still running behind on the nutrition and stunting targets, with on average more than 40% of the population still stunted and undernourished. This is a global problem, and the BOP households are the hardest hit by this change. Food insecurity in Bangladesh will continue to increase, leading to greater undernourishment, stunting, poverty, and outmigration of working adults. Personally, working for a Dutch INGO, ECO, together with SFT and Codec, we are going to, for the next 3 years, work on teaching state-of-the-art technologies and saline-tolerant crop cultivation to smallholder farmers in the south, so that previous non-arable land can again be used to cultivate nutritious rich crops, keeping Bangladeshis happy, healthy, and participating economically.